The Bailey Community Awareness Program invites all young innovators in medical and engineering universities to the InnovaAspire 2023. InnovaAspire 2023 will be held on 22nd of December this year, with competitions in innovation ranging from 1 to 5 different categories.
There will be oral and poster competition on innovative projects. These innovative projects will showcase the difficulties faced by the healthcare system and will provide the good solutions to it. We are also having a debating competition named as Model United Nations, in which the participants will show their debating skills. Next on the list is the innovative competition, in which the participants will be presented with a healthcare problem and they will be asked to prepare an extemporary solution. Last on the list is the prototype competition, in which the participants will be asked to showcase their model based on sustainable development goals. So we have added our 3 new competitions in addition to our conventional oral and poster competition. So Archive wishes to see all the young innovators on 22nd December this year.
So hurry up and register now. The deadline is about to end.